Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials. Open build mode, switch to decorations, and make sure you own at least one decorative item. Next, enable grid snapping so placement aligns with floors. This prevents clipping. Once done, pick the decor and hover where you plan to place it, checking rotation and elevation handles. The reason is simple. Correct snapping and ownership avoid later repositioning or lost items, and it speeds up placement when you move to more complex stacking and anchoring. You now tackle precise placement. Use rotation controls and the lift/height sliders to align items with counters, shelves, and display areas. This creates a professional look. Then, anchor pieces to walls or ceilings via snap points. That prevents items from falling through floors. Once you have multiple pieces, group them into a single unit so you can move or duplicate the whole arrangement. Make sure to test duplicates in different room layouts. This reveals collision issues early and saves time before finalizing. You finish by saving your layout and duplicating grouped decor as a backup. This protects work and lets you iterate quickly. After placement, walk through the restaurant to check sightlines and customer flow, making minor height or rotation tweaks as needed. If an item clips or falls through, toggle grid snapping off and on, try resetting the item's position, or move it slightly then re-anchor. If problems persist, reload the area or submit a bug report. That isolates whether it's a placement error or a game bug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.